Welcome to the digital age where data reigns supreme and cyber threats lurk around every corner. Let's embark on a journey to untangle the world of cybersecurity, starting with two terms that often create confusion: cyber attacks and cyber breaches. Imagine a bustling city with a bank at its heart. The bank's vault is filled to the brim with gold. Now, there are two ways this gold can be threatened. One, someone could attempt to break into the bank. This represents a cyber attack, a deliberate attempt to breach a network's security. But remember, not all attempts are successful. A robust security system or an alert guard can thwart this attack. On the other hand, if the intruder successfully bypasses the security, enters the vault, and accesses the gold, it signifies a cyber breach. The network has been successfully attacked, and data, in this case the gold, has been accessed unlawfully. The consequences of a cyber breach can be severe. Think of the gold in the vault as your company's sensitive data. If breached, it can lead to data theft, financial loss, and devastating legal implications. So, to put it simply, a cyber attack is akin to an attempt to break into the bank, while a cyber breach is when the intruder successfully enters the vault and gets their hands on the gold. In the world of cybersecurity, understanding these distinctions is not just a matter of semantics. It's crucial for making informed decisions and implementing effective protective measures. So, in the fight against cyber threats, remember, a cyber attack is an attempt, and a cyber breach is a successful intrusion with data access. Keep your digital vault secure and stay one step ahead of the cyber criminals. If you found this journey into the world of cybersecurity enlightening, consider subscribing to our channel at Demystify Tech. We're here to help you navigate the digital landscape with ease, providing insights into cybersecurity and technology updates. Thank you for joining us today. Stay informed, stay secure, and remember, knowledge is your best defense.